All right. So you saw how you can do a prompt either with ChatGPT, either with Copilot or any other tool, and you can create those 10 UX evaluation, and then you can document it. In the next chapter, we are going to learn more about documentation and how to rectify those feedbacks and how to work on those feedbacks. So, all right, let's go ahead and let's now we will create our manual. We will understand our manual UX evaluation. So, let's go ahead. We will go into the first screen. All right, and we would also like to document it somewhere. So, let's go ahead and we can document it here as well. So, let's start with, let's say, point one. Let me make it left align. All right. Let me make sure it has a style good enough. I can make it big and short. That's okay. So uh, if you go to the first screen, I can see there are two things. What is important for the not exactly for the user, but here I see the valuation in what is important for this company, PhonePe. Uh, they want to sell services. Obviously, like if you are building an application, the first priority for you is to solve your problem. And if you sell services, you make money. If you make money, then you can keep these services, these free services active, which is what they are doing. So save your credit card on PhonePe. So if you don't have a credit card, you will create a new credit card, and you will be able to save it. They could sell all the other services, but I don't understand why they are just trying to sell the credit card first. They could sell other parts as well. You can add a RuPay card. You can add, so pay on any UPI QR up to 2 lakh. So that's more like information for me. You can click on that and you can go to the page. UPI Circle, they have introduced something new, which can help you create a circle, create a group within the families, and you can separate payments. uh, all right, you can also pay for people. Also, if you see, there are more options: UPI payment, credit card, UPI Lite, auto pay, and everything else. Now if you go to manage payment, by clicking on the manage payment, you can see all the options you have available, UPI bank. So let's go one by one first. We will take the entire application as as one UX flow. Visibility of system status. Visibility of system status. I can see. I would rate it. Let's say, if I had to rate, for now, I can just choose any font. There is some problem with this, so let's just do this. So let's say for point one, if I had to rate them, let's use some from here. Okay, 1, 2 is working already. The first rating I would give is 4, 3.5, 3.5 out of 5, and then we can discuss about, let's say, in terms of visibility, all the features uh, which are commonly used are visible uh, with fixed bottom navigation. All right. But once I go, so second, if I see all the features are visible, which is good. Within this second parameter, let's say a suggestion. If I go to a different feature or application, different page, the main feature of QR code payment should always be visible. Maybe they can put a fab button, which was very famous. If you guys, you can go ahead and you can search this. What is fab button? Let's change the font. This is not readable. All right, this is more readable. All right. So visibility is good, but fab button is the feature which is the most common. It is not visible at all the places, so that's why 3.5. Match between system and real world. I would give again 3.8 out of 5. So mobile applications are not new anymore. So the match between system and real world is good, but a generic system design can really help. What I mean by generic system design, I mean, they are using too many colors at, if you see, at two different places. Not all the time, but like, there are too many colors, like this color because maybe they want to highlight it, and then this color, and then this color. There are too many distractions. So let's say if they had white mode, that could be really nice. And if you see the contrast is little less for all the applications, so contrast could be really increased. Let's go ahead and go on to the third one. User control and freedom. Uh, I would give 3 out of 5. User can't really, I have used this application, customize any of the feature. You Let's say user can't uh, increase or decrease font sizes or change system colors. So not even 3.5, I would give let's say 2.5. 2.5. All right. Let's go into the fourth one. Consistency and standard. This is the best thing I like about this application, that all the UI is consistent across the application. I don't know what is happening, but across the application. So let's give 5 out of 5. At some place we need to give that 5. Error validation. Uh, if you check, there are error validation seems to be working. All right. Recognition rather than recall. So recognition rather than recall, I say they keep. I would give it 3 out of 5. They have changed the scan feature 5 times in a year. So it's really, it is really not a good practice. So that can be solved. Let's go quickly into 7. 7 is flexibility and efficiency of use. I would just give them rating here because that looks nice. Um Aesthetic and minimal design, I would give them maybe 3.5, 3 out of 5. The UI can be improved. All right. Uh, 9, help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from error. Okay. So they have only one system. Let's say give them 4 out of 5. They have only one system of reporting an error or payment through system generated chat, which is not that helpful or gives a lot of information. That's a problem I have seen, that happens. You should use the PhonePe application to understand it more. Help and documentation, that really works. So let's go ahead and see 9, 10. Let's give 4 out of 5. So if you go here, you always have the this button prominent, and if whenever you need, like, and all the pages, this is there. So that, let's give it 5.5 because help option is always available. All right. So I think that solves the purpose. Now let's go ahead. So this is how you can do a heuristic evaluation. You can go page by page. Now I don't have a lot of time here, so I would just go through the entire application and I would create a heuristic evaluation. But you can go page by page and you can put in your research. You can do two ways. You can do it through AI and you can do your own research as well, on evaluation as well. Now let's go ahead and see what we are going to learn in the next chapter. So what we'll do is we will fix the UI based on the feedback we got from UX Audit, and we'll do iteration of the design. I'll also show you how to create the iteration document and how to also create the validation for it. All right, then see you in the next chapter.